Hello, good evening everyone. I'm Cherry here from Homely Chat. Welcome to today our Homely Cherry market conclusion. Yesterday we have shared some stock pattern just like the round bottom, the high shoot bottom, this pattern, and we also taught this individual share for Singapore market, VibroPower. Yesterday it rise 17%, but today it continue another 25%. So this round bottom pattern, it will continue, and we will further to look at this indicator. First, we see this one is a Homely Rainbow, one of a Homely feature indicator. It can help us to follow different period trend. See the long-term trend for long-term investment, we can follow the white line, and for mid-long term we can follow the blue line, mid-short term we follow the yellow line, green line is lifeline, and the red line can tell us the short-term movement. In technical analysis, we set short term is 6 to 10 days, mid-short term is 3 weeks to a few months, mid-long term is a few months to 1 year, and the long term is more than 1 year. So this is also Homely 22 years investment philosophy: long term first and short term next. Okay, so we use this indicator to follow the trend. And for most retail investor, why we cannot make safe and sustainable profits? That's because we don't know how the big fish moves. See, this indicator, multi-color dragon, can help us to follow the big fish. For any share, if we see most part is red bar, so it means the big fish play here. So the price will continue rising and rock it up. And if most part is yellow bar, so it means hot money play here. And if hot money play, the price just move up, move down, move up, move down. No big rise and also no big drop, just sideways here. See, if most part is green bar, means retail investors play. So the price will continue drop. So we just follow the big fish, follow the banker to make safe and sustainable profits. This video here is only my personal view with Homely chart analysis. So all the cases here is not for recommendation, and every one of us, we should be responsible for our own trading. Okay, first let's look at today the Singapore market, the sector index. Today the overall market is continue pullback, and the only industrial, this sector rise 0.15%. All the other sectors today continue drop. For Malaysia market, healthcare sector today rise 1.66%. All the other sectors also drop. So this is two Singapore and the Malaysia market, the sector index. And now we look at the global index first. First we look at the Dow Jones. Look at Dow Jones. This one is the Dow Jones chart, and today also continue drop, market open drop, as today somebody tested positive for COVID-19, so the market pull back. But the news, see, some share split, some person have something, but this is only not the trend, it will not affect the overall trend. See, for Dow Jones, currently the white line is flat, and also the blue line is flat, so it means long term is sideways, and also the price will move around the white line. No big rise currently, and also no big drop. So for Dow Jones, currently the previous high is around 9540. It will be our short-term resistance. But below the yellow line, the white line, and the blue line, it will be support. So the price just sideways here within the inside the previous high resistance and also the rainbow support. From the money flow, we see the red bar, the even a bit rising, but still below purple line, not break up purple line yet, and also the purple line continue turning down, so it means the big money still not flow in. So if the money flow in, it will have power to continue rise, but if not, it will continue sideways here. We see SPX also today market open, the price drop. See, we thought in previous video, if the share or the index really want to bullish rising, it must meet two conditions. The first one is the close price can stand above all the rainbow lines, or else it will be false signal or the bull trap. So it will be very dangerous and risky. See, currently, yesterday the close price stand above the first rainbow line, the yellow line, but today pull back again, so means still not effective. And from the money flow, the red bar continue rising 5 days, but the purple line still flat, a bit turning down, not turning up yet. See, if the close price can stand above all the rainbow lines effectively, see the close price more than 3 days or 3%, and also the purple line turning up, so it will have more chance to go. But currently also sideways at the resistance, previous high resistance, and also below the rainbow line support. For Nasdaq market open also drop. First few days it have a very big rise, gap up, and continue rise nearly 1 week. But today the previous high resistance and also the yellow taiji signal, we see if we open the signal, we just click signal. Here we got the yellow taiji signal. See, this overbought the alert still not break up yet, so means above still got resistance, and below all the rainbow lines will be support. See, currently the money flow in is very good signal. If continue, the red bar continue rising, it will have more power to break up more, but the biggest resistance is around 11645. This resistance not so easy to break up, as a double yellow taiji signal overbought top alert signal. If it can break up, it will have more space to go, but if cannot, it will continue pull back and sideways here. Okay, for the Nasdaq, we see for Singapore market STI. STI today drop, and the close price is 2496, still above the important support level 2480, still above this level. So currently for Singapore market, it will no big move, just sideways here, as no big fish, no red bar rising, so no big rise, and also no green bar rising, so no big drop. Most part is yellow bar. Yellow bar means the hot money, so it will continue sideways here until choose new direction. For Malaysia market, KLCI, today rise a bit, but still above all the rainbow lines will be resistant, and every previous high 1615 is the resistance, and 1475 is support, also sideways here. But from the money flow, we see the red bar continue smaller and smaller. The purple line also turning down, so it means the big money continue flowing out. Currently it's the yellow bar, the hot money play, so no big rise. Okay, we see some individual share for the day. First one, we see this one, Reverse Education. Reverse Education today big young candlestick. See the red bar bit rising. We just see for this kind of share, the big trend, the white line turning up. The white line turning up means the big trend is bullish rising. So after the short-term correction or mid-term correction, whenever the correction finish, the red bar break up purple line, rise again, it will be our another chance. Okay, see currently most of the part is still green bar. Many retail investors locked here. So if the red bar can break up purple line, and also the close price can stand above the first red line. It's 15.5 cents. Today close is 14.3. So if tomorrow next week the close price can effectively break up 15.5 cents, and also the red bar break up purple line, so we may have some more chance to go, but this one still need to monitor. And another one is UG. UG is split 1 to 3. So today the big blue signal appear. This signal is bottom catch signal, the yellow taiji signal. So for this one, it's a new share, relatively new. See, if the red bar can continue rising, and also afterwards, after big rise, it usually have some correction. But if the price can stand above half of this big candlestick, it's around 89 cents. See, after some correction, it's okay, it's acceptable. If the price still above half of this big candlestick, above 90 cents, and also the red bar above 25% continue rising, so it still can consider. Okay. We check next one. But this one we can use 60 minutes or 30 minutes to follow. Next one, this one the pattern, also the pattern. So we not learn the individual share, not one share, two shares, no important. We just learn the pattern. If the pattern we learn, and then we can have more chances. Okay. So for this one, even the white line turning down and also the blue line turning down, so it means the mid long term and the long term still very bearish. But now we see the yellow line and the white line is flat, red line, the yellow line, the red line, yellow line and the red line is flat. Flat means a mid-term and the short-term sideways. So after the mid-term correction finish, and whenever the big fish come again, so it will have some rise. We can use the chips to see the next resisting level. This chips is the accumulation of volume. See here, if price break up this level, the next one it will go to today close is 23 cents. And it will go to 28 cents. If this level also break up, next one will be 31, 40, and then 50. So level by level, we just see how far it will go. Okay, but this level may not so easy to break up. It is also confirmed with the white line resisting and the chips together. But at least if it can continue, it will go to 28, as between these two chips, and it's very small, so means the resistance no big. Okay, so this is this one. We must use 60-minute chart or 30-minute chart to follow, and also follow the big fish. See, we never hit any resistance, cannot break up. It's time to take profit ready. As the white line still turning down, big trend no good, we can only take as short term. Next one, Samurai. Samurai also a bit this pattern, a bit rising. See, in history, it's very beautiful. From 18 cents, it rise to $1.70. $1.70, nearly 1,000%. But after that, it's a long-term sideways. Now we see the red bar accumulate, the big fish accumulate between 25%, and then reach to 25%, reach to 50%, and also the same. If can continue, the red bar continue rising. So next level, here resisting right there, 57 cents. If 57 can break up, next level it will go to 68. Then next one is 78. So we just level by level, just to see how far it will go. But currently, the white line also turn down. If the white line turn down, we can only take as a short-term rebound. Can use 60 minutes or 30 minutes to follow. Okay, just follow the big fish. Then MV4. So this one, currently hit the biggest resistance level. So we just see this level can break up or not. So it's around 27 cents. If this level can break up, so you see above no chips, it have more space to go. But this level must break up. So just see the red bar can continue or not. If continue, also no problem, but usually not so easy. See, so big upper shadow or resistance, not so easy. But if we can break up 27 cents, it will have more space to go. And also top glove after split today also rise some. Now we see why cannot continue break up, as this period the chips is very longer. Very longer means the resistance is very big, not so easy to break up. See, if the red bar continue rising, maintain about 50%, and the red bar continue rising, it will have the power to break up. But if the red bar not enough, so the price no enough power to continue. Okay, and also this one currently the biggest resistance also around this level, $1.23. So currently will midterm correction, 3 weeks to a few months, but still above blue line and above white line. Just wait for the big fish come. Whenever the big fish come, and also the price can stand above $1.23, we may have more chance. Okay. And then we see some Malaysia market. For Malaysia one, this one, the chips, just see when can break up this level. But currently, the price stand above all the rainbow lines, and also the red bar about 50. This is our pattern. Just see the resistance level is around. Whether can break up and then can consider. If not, it will continue sideways. This one, this one. Just enough is Japan market. This one is Singapore, is Malaysia market. Prolexus. This one for Malaysia market. So we see also break up this level, the chips distribution. If we can break up this level, it will go to this level directly, as between these two chips and it's only very small one, no resistance. So this one we just see the next one. See if this one can break up, this is 30 close is 1 to 2, and this level is around 1 to 4. If a close price can stand above 1 to 4 and also above no big chips. Okay, so we can wait here, take profits here, and also wait here, take profits here. And the longer of the chips, it means short-term resistance or a big resistance. And also we just see how far it will go. If the red bar continue rising, and it will have power to rise more. But from the history movement, usually after the short-term big rise, it will have correction. Short-term big rise, it will pull back. Short-term rise, it will correction. So we just see the red bar whether can continue or not. If the red bar can continue, hit new high, so we have more space to go. Okay. So this is this one, and then we see next one. Next one is this one, Malaysia. See Malaysia also the same pattern. After big rise, it will have some correction, and a big rise again, and also correction again. See 30 close is here, so above no big resistance. At least it will go to 53.5. And then next level is around 58.8. So one level by level. See tomorrow if the red bar continue, it will go to this level directly. And above the small chips, the resistance is very small. So also the same pattern. In Singapore market, in Malaysia market, recently we got a lot of this kind of share. The price, the candlestick, stand above all the rainbow lines. and also the red bar break up purple line, so it may have some chance to go, but currently the first resistance 117, and the next level it will go to 139, and the next level is 185, so one level by level. We just use homely chart to follow. And this one also Malaysian market, also the same pattern, right? Very beautiful same pattern. Price stand above all the rainbow lines, and today the red bar break up purple line. So if we want to filter, we just use MCD, the red bar break up purple line. So this kind of share we can filter out. And enough the resistance is 337, 30 close is 333. See, next trading day, if the close price can stand above 337, and it will go to the previous high resistance directly. So also have chance to go, but it must need the red bar continue rising, must have the big fish. If no big fish, so the price no power. And next one is this one, Malaysia. So the same pattern, right? The same pattern. So once this level break up, it will above no big resistance. It will continue even break up the previous high, hit history new high, or have possibility. So just to see the red bar can continue or not. Okay, next one is one Malaysia. Also the same pattern. Next resistance, today close is $14.62. Next resistance level is around $16, and if above 16, no big resistance already. So we just see the red bar can continue or not. If the red bar continue rising, it will be very easy to break up. Okay, we see this one, also the same pattern. See all the same. The price stand above all rainbow lines. Price stand above all rainbow lines. After some short-term or mid-term correction, have support, can consider catch bottom catch, and the red bar continue rising, so the price will have power to break up, continue. Okay, today close is 17.5, but the resistance is also around $17.58. So if above this level, it will go to $20.28 directly. So these two levels also our profits. Okay, so we follow this, it will be very easy. At least we know which level it will be support, which level it will be resistance. Yeah, just like here, the price pull back to this level, not hit new low, so we can consider catch bottom, and also the blue bottom catch signal appear. So here is 11, and now it's 17, only 2 weeks. So if the red bar continue rising, it have more space to go. Okay, so this is the pattern, and also we use this chips distribution to help us find the strong share support and the resistance level. So tomorrow morning, October 3rd, 10:30 to 12 will be my English talk. The smart trading on strong stock by homely chart. We will talk more in detail how to find the strong stock. And many friends ask yesterday after watch the video, many friends ask how to filter. So tomorrow we will talk the strong stock pick and also how to do smart trading. Okay, tomorrow class is Zoom webinar, Zoom live. Tomorrow morning English one is for all investors. Free registration. So the main content is here for strong stock pick, how to select, filter the strong stock, and also before USGE general election and the best strategy, and also October market, the chance and the risk. So tomorrow morning, and this is Sunday 2 to 4 p.m. is Chinese talk after the US market correction finish. So how can we do the next choice? Okay, the best shares to consider, and the strategy to follow, and how to avoid the top alert, the top risk. And the retail investor, we should continue follow, or we just wait and see. So this Sunday talk 2 to 4 p.m. we can attend. So all these 2 talks is a free registration. If anyone want to attend or you have any friends want to try, just WhatsApp your name to 96469682. Just WhatsApp to this number. So before class, we will send you the room ID and the password, so you can attend directly from your side. For daily market conclusion, and usually every trading day is 8 to 8:20, and also we mainly including Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong district market. So if you want to know more about this video, you can search YouTube Homely Cherry and then just click subscribe, and also you can WhatsApp your name to 96469682, and we will send you the link, and also can like the Facebook Homely Cherry. Okay, so today we will finish here. Have a nice day and have a nice weekend. See you tomorrow.